In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design beautiful presentations in Google Slides. We'll keep things clean, consistent, and professional so your message stands out without extra clutter. Start by opening your presentation and choosing a solid foundation. Go to Slide, then change theme, and pick a simple theme with generous spacing. Minimal designs are usually the most polished because they let your content breathe and reduce distractions. Next, set up your global style so every slide automatically looks cohesive. Open slide, then edit theme. In the theme builder, set your fonts, adjust title and body sizes, and pick a background. Dial in the typography you want to see everywhere. When you close the theme editor, those choices cascade across your entire deck, saving you time and keeping everything consistent. Choose a simple color palette with 3 to 4 colors. Use a primary color for titles, a secondary for accents like shapes or keywords, and neutral tones for backgrounds and body text. If you need help choosing, palette generators like Coolors or Adobe Color make it easy to find combinations that look great. Apply these colors to your theme so they're ready in the toolbar. Strong visuals elevate your slides. Insert images by clicking Insert, then Image, and choose Search the Web or Upload from your device. High-quality sources like Unsplash and Pexels offer beautiful, free-to-use photos. Favor large, striking images paired with minimal text for maximum impact. Keep text lean with the 6 word rule. Let each slide support what you say rather than replace it. Aim for one idea per slide, short phrases instead of sentences, and large readable text. Skip long paragraphs and let your voice carry the details. To communicate quickly, add icons and shapes. Use insert, then shape or diagram for built-in options, or import icons from Flaticon. Keep icon styles consistent in line weight and color so they feel unified. Clean alignment makes everything look intentional. Use arrange, then align to snap elements to center or edges, and arrange, then distribute to space items evenly. Consistent margins and spacing instantly polish your layout. Add subtle animations to guide attention. Select an element, choose insert, then animation, and pick a simple effect like fade in. Keep it tasteful and consistent to avoid distraction. Break your story into chapters with section divider slides. A slide with just a title, a solid color background, or a single large image creates a clear pause and resets attention. Finally, use large fonts. Titles around 36 to 60 points and body text between 24 and 32 points are reliable. If it feels small on your screen, it will be smaller in a room. Present with confidence and let your clean design do the rest.